Hello students, now let us see one problem which is asked by my student. Okay, so last 2 days back he asked the question, but due to lack of time I was not able to respond. So let us firstly read out the question, student, what the question is saying. So question is, that is an electromagnetic radiation of wavelength 242 nanometer. Okay, how much, student? Wavelength given, student. So first of all, let us write the what is given, student. Given wavelength, student. Wavelength. So you know, student, what is meaning of wavelength? Wavelength means lambda. Lambda is given, student. When you are talking about wavelength, student, this is lambda is given, student. So lambda is equal to given 242 nanometer. Okay, firstly you convert into meter, student. Okay, so if you are converting into 242 nanometer into meter means 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, because 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, student, now let us read the next part of this. Is sufficient, is just sufficient to ionize a sodium atom, is sufficient to ionize sodium atom means whatever the E lambda is there, student. Okay, let us write down the student here the information, that is E lambda is there, whatever the wavelength is given is equal to sufficient for the ionized sodium atom, means that is ionization energy of this wavelength, no, energy of this wavelength is equal to the ionization energy. So what they are saying, student, calculate the ionization energy of sodium atom in kilojoule per mole. So this is very simple, student. Okay, firstly let us calculate the energy. So how can you calculate the energy, student? If you want to calculate energy, so E is equal to what, student? E equal to hc by lambda. Okay, student. So h value you know very well, student, what is the meaning of h value. So better we can solve here, student, on the top of the board. Let us see where we can solve this, so if you are solving this side of the board, because this is the small screen, student, so let us write here, student. So that is lambda is equal to h value, student, 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, multiply by what is there, you are a student, c, speed of light. Speed of light is equal to, student, 3 into 10 power minus 8, and lambda value also, this is a meter per second, so this is also meter, student. So how much is there, student? 242 into 10 power minus 9. So this all will be cancelled out, meter, meter, second, second. So that is, it will come, the value will come in the joule, student. So that this is E, student, not lambda. This is E, energy. Okay, this formula we have used, student. This formula we have used here. So that is how much, if you are solving this, student, it is how much it is coming, student. If you see E is equal to, it is coming 0.0.084 into 10 power minus 17 joule. This is coming. So energy we got, student, energy we got of this. Actually this is what the in the question is saying, this energy is equal to ionization energy. Here you read out, it just sufficient to ionize a sodium atom. So calculate the ionization energy. So ionized sodium atom means what, student? Ionization energy, but this is there in the joule, but here what is they are asking in kilojoule per mole, student. So this is the in the joule. So for one no, one wavelength they have calculated this much of energy. So what we have to do is, student, in this question we have to calculate kilojoule firstly we have, and then per mole. So for so how can you do, student? So E is equal to E in kilojoule per mole. How can you do, student, kilojoule per mole? So here you see, student, so whatever the energy is there, student, 0.0 what is there, student, 0.084 multiply by 10 ki power minus 17. Okay, divided by what is it is joule, so it is for kilojoule you divide by 1000, and then per mole is there, so for 1 mole you multiply by 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, student, so if you are multiplying this, student, so how can you do, student? You see here I am putting this video screen somewhere else, student, so that we can solve the problem. So after you after simplifying, student, this is how much it will come, student. You see, So 0.084, okay student, multiply by 10 power, no, okay, wait student. So how can we do this one? If you take this one student, okay, eraser. So if you are taking the eraser, little bit I want to erase student here, this one. I want to erase here because I need to put out the value student. What value here we can put out student? If you see, this is the 6.022 is there student. 6.022 and multiply by what is there student? 10 power minus 17 and 10 power 23. So how much it will come student? It will come like that. No, it will come 6 student. It is coming, no, 5. Okay, so 5, if 30 23 is there and 7, so how much it will come in student? 6 will come student. 10 power 6 I divided by 1000 is there student. Now divided by 1000, so again if you simplify this student, so it is coming student 4, okay, 94 494 kilojoule per mole, kilojoule per mole. This is very simple. So that is energy is coming, that is this much energy is coming into kilojoule per mole, and this energy they are already saying that is ionization energy. This energy is equal to what student? This whatever the wavelength energy is coming, just equal to ionization energy. So ionization energy is equal to what will come student? If you are writing ionization energy is equal to 494 kilojoule per mole. Okay student, now check with the option. So option number first is correct option student. 494 kilojoule per mole is given. Thank you so much for watching friends.